Some technology looks so crazy it feels fake, but guess what? It's real, and it's here today. Example 1. The robot dog from Boston Dynamics. It can dance, climb stairs, and even carry loads. Looks like CGI, but it's advanced robotics powered by AI balance systems. Example 2. Transparent displays. From Samsung to LG, real prototypes exist. They work using OLED layers on see-through glass. Not common yet, but the future is heading this way. Example 3. Flying taxis in Dubai. Autonomous passenger drones have already been tested. Limited range and safety are challenges, but it's happening. Example 4. Real 3D holograms. Startups are developing holographic fans and projectors, like sci-fi movies. They're already used for concerts and marketing. So next time you see unbelievable tech online, don't scroll past. It might just be real science at work. Technology is moving faster than fiction. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the future.